Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get dark mode on YouTube. It is a easy way to enable dark mode. First go to google.com and then open YouTube. Then go to right side and click on channel logo, and then go to appearance, click on this device theme, and then click on theme. So you can see how I change YouTube dark mode in easily. So again click on logo and click on appearance dark and click on use device theme. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.